Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change miles to kilometers on Strava. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Strava, I need you to click the Create a New Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the units from miles to kilometers on Strava is an easy and a straightforward process because in many countries outside the United States, the metric system is standard for measuring distance, right? Switching to kilometers aligns with the Strava's local conventions and of course makes the data more familiar and easier to understand, especially if you travel to internationally or engage with athletes from different countries. Using kilometers may be more convenient and relevant. Now the thing is, if you are so used to tracking your workouts in kilometers, switching to this unit ensures consistency and training data and comparisons. Now for us to be able to change miles to kilometers, all we're gonna do is hover to the section that says U. Okay, I need you to hover to where it says units of measurement. All right, that's under privacy controls. Click on it. You see, you're gonna be easier. It's a lot easier to change the units of temperature. Of measurement from kilometers to miles. It's a very easy and again a straightforward process because many fitness and health platforms use the metric system. So aligning to these can make it easier to track and compare data across multiple services because kilometers can offer a more precise and detailed measurement which can be useful for activities like running or cycling where exact distances are important. Now if you go to the maps, for example, you wanted to try the best of Strava, all right, and you wanted to take some challenge, using the kilometers to miles could be practical and handy because many training plans and coaching programs are designed using the metric system. So aligning Strava with these plans can ensure better integration and understanding because adjusting the units to kilometers, you can ensure that your data aligns with your personal preferences, regional standards, and other tools or platforms you use for fitness and training. Using kilometers instead of miles can reduce confusion for users who are more familiar with the metric system, leading to more accurate training, tracking, and reporting of workout metrics. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.